Hello friends, this is Ram, Nepali truck driver in America. This is my truck, 2021 Freightliner Cascadia. It's relatively new, 122,000 mile in it. I don't own it, I drive it. I'm trying to get this thing just like this thing, a newer one. And right now I am in Pulaski, Virginia, going to Stroudsburg, Virginia. There are a bunch of trucks in the line. After one of these pulls out, it's my turn. This is how the truck looks like. My tandem are slided all the way to back, door is open, ready to get loaded. These are the tandems, the small holes. These tire slides up and down. This is the back of the trailer. I have a stripes on, and this is the view of Pulaski. Bright sunny day. I just back in my dock and ready to get loaded. This is the dock. Probably in 45 minutes, half an hour, I'll be loaded and I'll be on my way. I'll show you guys on the road. I'm loaded and I'm on my way. Let's hit the road. Let's take this highway 81. Here we go. We are merging in highway 81. Whoa! Let's roll this bad boy. You have to be very cautious while you are merging because there are reckless drivers and all kinds of shit. So, extra careful on the road. There goes a Mississippi truck. As you can see, I'm in the right lane, slow moving vehicle lane. Let's give him a light. I gave him a light so he can come in the right lane, but he does not want to come in the right lane. Now he does. He does. My bad. Okay. The best decision that I've made is to get a driver license, commercial driver license. This is the countryside that I can see. All the countryside, all the beautiful places for free. like a marriage. You can't leave trucking. This is the day one. Thank you for watching. This is my truck. I'm going home now. See you tomorrow.